Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 7th of November 2019. Okay, guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, guys, now let's move ahead towards the today's analysis. So before going to the today's analysis, I'm going to talk about the market situation at the moment. So if you have watched the market from last week, then you can see that mostly people are not taking interest in trading, and the market is very, very slow, because you know that 25th of December is also coming, and most of the traders are going out of the market right now. So be careful. So I prefer scalping within these days. You need to take care of the trading very well, and preferably scalping. If you have caught the reasonable profit within the trades, then you should be out of the trade. Otherwise, if you keep long trades, then it can be a tricky day. However, if you see that the market is going into your direction and it's making big candles, like for example, look at the pattern here on USD JPY, then only in that situation you can take the proper trades. Okay, now let's talk about the analysis today, starting from USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY with a bullish expectation from 108816 and 109202 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see a long bullish candle appeared on the chart, and then slowly finally USD JPY has hit the target price with no problem. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next, we are going to talk about the AUD USD, another satisfied signal of the day after many days of slow trading. So finally, AUD USD has shown us some volatility, and 068787 was the bullish entry, and 069054 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market breaks the entry right from here, and then you can see it has hit the target price with no problem. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended their day with a very good profit. At next, we are going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. So bearish signal was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 131876, and 131592 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a big drop on USD Canadian dollar today, and it almost hit the target price with no problem. So if you have traded this one, then your MT4 terminal must be filled with a very good profit on that pair. At next, let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So a bullish signal was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 139803, and 140294 was the target price. And guys, you can see Great Britain Pound JPY clearly went bullish, and it hit and went beyond the barriers of the target price. So I congratulate those traders who have taken the buy positions as per the suggestions of 200forexpips.com. They must have ended their day with a very good profits. At next, let's talk about another very good trade that is taken on Euro JPY. A bullish signal was supplied from 120384, and 120804 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry, the market started to go bullish, and it went beyond the barriers of the target price, and after that it has reversed, but our signal was expired. So if you have traded this one, then you must have taken a very good profit. Okay, a very good volatility is seen today on AUD JPY, and that has gained a very good strength today from 74794. Bullish signal was supplied, and target price was 75065. And guys, the market did not stop up to there. You can see the market started to go up right from the entry. We have a very good break from that level, and it went beyond its barriers of the target price, and you can see it went into the top red boundary. So overall, a bullish day was supplied, and you can see it went bullish as per the suggestions. At next, we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, so let's move towards the signals report. Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 128363, and 127196 is the target price. However, it has a drop from the entry, but it does not went till the target price till now, because it after the drop the market gets slower. So now let's see if it goes down. But overall, I'm going to take you towards the higher time frame. If you look at the today's candle, the candle is bearish, and overall it is expected that it can go further down on Great Britain Pound USD. At last, I'm going to talk about the USD CHF. So guys, this signal is on the way, and USD CHF signal was bullish from my side from 0.99314 and 0.99631 is the target price. And guys, you can see USD CHF has entered into the entry zones, and I'm going to take you to the daily time frame. And if you look at the daily time frame, why I have given this signal, because I have received the buy signal from the scalper, and also the price monitor was also green, so it was very easy to give a buy signal right in the morning, and I have given the bullish signal on USD CHF, and with the grace of God you can see that it has perfectly went into our side. Okay guys, now let's talk about the trading system. So guys, now let me explain to you about the trading system. This is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is in the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, so basically this system is very good for taking swing trades. So whenever you see market is in the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And moreover, look at this one. The scalper has pointed you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow, and then the market straight went up, and then it has received the sell signal from the top red boundary in the form of red arrow, and then the market has went down. Okay guys, let me explain you how to use this scalper. So for example, let's say instead of this white signal, if I received the red signal here, then I will ignore this one, because the other indicator says that this is the oversold levels. We are not going to sell this pair anymore. So guys, just take care of this thing while using the scalper. Otherwise, this is the very perfect indicator for giving you the very good trading setups. Moreover, like you can see, AUD JPY has went into the top red boundary. Now if it getting right now, you can see that the market is making the bullish candles. But let's say if it starts dropping from here, then you can take the sell positions. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know that USD CHF is bullish and USD Canadian dollar is down and Great Britain pound JPY is bullish, this signal report is based on a trick. And if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for $700. And I take the subscriber to the coaching session on Skype for 3 days, and he prepares signals with me for 3 days, and after that you will be able to generate your own signals. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to any of the service, then you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.